Here we are with lesson 4. This is in our grade 2 Kumon reading book. So this is the workbook we're working through together. This is lesson 4. We're working on vocabulary review. All right, let's do this. Trace each word below, then read it aloud. So you're going to do this all by yourself, and then I'm going to read it with you. So pause the video right out of the gate here and trace those words and try to read them by yourself, and then I'll do it with you. Okay, here we are. So number 1 is stretch. Stretch. Here's the next one. Scratch. That TCH says ch. So you hardly hear the T at all. Ch. Do you hear? Scratch. Okay, let's get ready for the next one. This is called a watch. You wear it on your wrist so you can tell time. Watch. The A makes an unexpected schwa sound. Watch. Watch. Ready for the next one? This is a picture of the father. That TH digraph here in the middle that says father. We got another funny schwa sound for our A. Father. Father. Okay, we're going to move on to number 5. This is a piece of fabric or a cloth. I've traced that word. Cloth. There's another digraph. So we have a digraph in father and in cloth. Here is number 6 is pointing to the picture of the witch. The witch. So let's trace that word. Witch. That ch sound at the end. That T is so hard to hear. This is the number 3 on that big cabinet. Maybe it's the refrigerator. 3. Do you hear that digraph? 3. 3. Okay, and our last one, we have another digraph in there. This is our word mother. Father, mother. Let's go back and reread all of the words. Stretch, scratch, watch, father, cloth, witch, 3, and mother. All right, job number 2. Circle the word that matches each picture. So we have a whole bunch of words here, and one of these matches the picture. Here are 2 boys that look similar, and the arrow is pointing to one of them. What do you think that could be? Read through the words. Brother, cloth, mother, broken. What do you think it is? Yeah, it's probably brother. Brother. All right, look at the picture. What's that a picture of? Which word matches that picture? We see the witch. Which one matches that picture? Yeah, here's this word. Don't circle it. This word has an ah, the A that says ah. This one doesn't start with a w sound. This one ends with a n sound. Itch. Here's our witch. Okay, this cat is stretching. Which word says stretch? It can't be this one. Scra. We don't want to make that sound. We have stretch. Atch. Sat. Which one do you think it is? Yeah, it's this one. It's the one that starts with a s and ends with a ch. Stretch. Do you know what this girl's doing? She's catching the ball in her hand. Let's find the word catch. Patch. That doesn't make sense. Itch. Watch. watch, catch. Yeah, it's going to be this last one, isn't it? Did you already circle it? I'll catch up to you. All right, this is what it looks like to finish part 2. So if you have 1 and 2 all done, you're ready to move on. Let's look at number 3 and listen to the directions. Write the words below. Use the pictures as hints. Okay, we've seen all of these pictures so far before, and the words are next to them. So when we see this cloth, we know how to write it. So I'm going to have you pause the video now, and then you're really just going to check your work. So pause the video, write all of the correct words, check your spelling. They're all here somewhere. Check your spelling, and then come back and check your work. All right, this is what your work should look like. You should have which, mother, catch, watch, cloth, and stretch. So if that all looks like mine, then you're ready to go on to number 4. Finish each sentence below. Use the pictures as hints. Okay, let's see. This looks like the dad here. What is he doing? He's imagining a mess. And there's the little girl that was playing ball. Do you think she left a mess on her floor? My asked me to clean my room. Who is this story about? My Did you guess father? It's right here. You can write it. Father. Go back and reread it and make sure it's clear. My father asked me to clean my room. All right, number 2. Look at my new... Do you remember what that was called? Here it is. It's a different color, but it's the same thing. This was called a watch. So your job is to write the correct word. The cat gave me a on my foot. What did the cat do? It is o'clock now. Oh, do you know how to read this number? When the short hand is called the hour hand, the short hand is pointing at the hour. Do you see what hour it's pointing at? Okay, that's the number you need to write there. Don't write the numeral. That's just writing the math number. I want you to spell it out. It's reading time. Always before you run. What do you do? What is this person doing? Really stretching it out. Okay, so I need you to pause the video and write the words all by yourself and then come back and check it. Okay, you should be all done writing those words. Let's check them and make sure you got them all. My father asked me to clean my room. Look at my new watch. The cat gave me a scratch on my foot. It is 3 o'clock now. Always stretch before you run. So if your work looks like mine, then you've finished everything you've been asked to do. It is really, really, really good reading to go back and reread these sentences to build fluency all by yourself. You can always rewind the video and listen to me do it, but it's more important for you to practice it all by yourself. So if your work is all finished, you give yourself that beautiful 100%. You did it. You finished your work. Let's move on to lesson 5.